Ever wondered how ScalePilot calculates these title optimization scores? Today, we're going behind the scenes to show you exactly how our AI analyzes your Amazon titles and why these scores matter for your success. By the end of this video, you'll understand every factor that goes into your score and how to use this knowledge to create titles that convert. ScalePilot evaluates your titles using 8 critical factors based on Amazon's Rufus algorithm. Let's break down each one. The primary keyword placement measures how well your primary keywords are positioned for maximum search visibility. Keywords at the beginning of your title get more weight than those buried at the end. The second is brand positioning. Amazon wants to see your brand prominently displayed. The best practice is brand first, followed by your primary keywords. Amazon has a sweet spot for title length. Too short and you miss opportunities. Too long and you get truncated on mobile. We target 150 to 200 characters for optimal visibility. Feature density measures how many relevant product features you've naturally integrated. More features mean more search opportunities, but they need to flow naturally. Does your title match what customers are actually searching for? We analyze search product and intent to ensure your title speaks their language. Emotional triggers. Words like ultimate, premium, or professional don't just describe, they persuade. This factor measures your title's psychological appeal. Competitive differentiation. What makes you stand out? This factor looks for unique selling propositions that set you apart from the competition. And lastly, mobile readability. With most Amazon shopping happening on mobile, your title needs to be readable and compelling on small screens. We check for mobile-friendly formatting and length. Each factor is scored from 0 to 100, but they're not all equal. Let me show you how the math works. High impact factors like primary keywords and character length carry more weight in your overall score. A 90 in primary keywords matters more than a 90 in emotional triggers. Your overall score is a weighted average. As you can see, all the scores for all your products, 100 current score for brand positioning, 100 for primary keyword placement, 70 for character length optimization, feature density being 55, poor, let's bring that up, search intent alignment being 100, emotional triggers at 65, competitive differentiation at 70, and mobile readability at 78, resulting in a score of 81.7. Notice how the low feature density brings down the overall score despite other high scores? That's the power of impact weighting. When you click Optimize for your product, here's what happens behind the scenes. Our AI first analyzes your current title, identifying strengths to preserve and weaknesses to improve. The AI generates multiple title variations, each targeting different optimization strategies: emotional conversion, competitive differentiation, and search intent optimization. Here's the key. Our AI never makes your strong factors worse. If your mobile readability is 92, the optimized version will maintain or improve that score. We only focus improvements on your weak areas. Each optimized title gets scored in real time so you can see exactly how each change impacts your overall performance. Let's decode what you see in your results. The green arrows show improvements, red shows any decreases, and gray means no change. Each factor shows its current score, projected score, and expected improvement. This tells you exactly where your gains are coming from. The improvement descriptions are honest. We only claim improvements where scores actually increase. No fake, dramatically improved claims. These are some pro tips for better scores. Put your most important keywords in the first 80 characters. That's what shows up in search results. 2. A title that's perfect on desktop but terrible on mobile will hurt your conversions. Keep it readable on small screens. Tip 3. Include 3 to 5 key features but make them flow naturally. Keyword stuffing hurts readability. 4. Combine emotional triggers with functional benefits. Ultimate resistance bands for professional workouts hits both. And lastly, look at top performing competitors but don't copy. Differentiate. What can you say that they can't? Here are the mistakes that will kill your scores. More keywords isn't always better. This title scores poorly on readability despite high keyword density. More keywords isn't always better. Titles score poorly on readability despite having high keyword density. 250 character titles look great on desktop but get cut off on mobile where most shopping happens. A lot of titles could describe any broad product. Where's the unique value proposition? Hiding your brand at the end misses opportunities for brand recognition and trust building. Understanding these scores gives you a massive advantage. You're not just guessing anymore, you're optimizing with data-driven precision. Ready to optimize your titles? Head to the Title Optimizer and Scale Pilot dashboard and start improving your scores today. And if you found this helpful, subscribe for more Amazon selling insights.